So with
Yes.
this, now that you are a customer success manager, what are some of the key skills that you think are important in this industry?
So the number one skill I would say is obviously, having, sort of customer relationship skills. That's quite important, especially when you're building a relationship for, business to business customers. It's important that you have the right personality to be able to engage with, customers at different levels. So whether it's, on the ground level or you're dealing directly with the executives. You need to have those skills. You need to have the ability to basically upskill yourself and train yourself. I know when I started, I didn't have any formal training. I was literally given the tools that I needed and said, run with it. You have to be able to, have the personality to get down to the nitty gritties, to understand what it is that is required from you, understand the tools that you need to use to be successful. And you obviously need to become a sort of a subject matter expert, because when you're dealing with your customers in the software industry, they're going to look to you for any sort of answers that they need for any issues that they might encounter. You need to be the subject matter expert. You need to build your internal stakeholder relationships, because that's quite important. You need to know, if you need to get pricing, if you need sort of technical support from an engineer, that you've got that and you're able to give your customer the best possible experience. And that just helps you with growing the business, the existing business that you have, so that your customer always comes back to you for any additional sort of opportunities that they might see that they need, and you are able to assist. And also for referral purposes, because that's quite important. You want customers to talk about you, so that when they are at the golf course, as an example, and playing, and they start, the subject happens to come up, that they mention your name. So I really feel like personality comes into play quite greatly, and then obviously learning all of the skills that you need to have, and really becoming a subject matter expert in everything that you do.